Django TemplateDoesNotExist? My local machine is running Python 2.5 and Jinx on Ubuntu 8.10, with Django builded from latest development trunk. For every URL I request, it throws TemplateDoesNotExist at /appname/path_appname/template_name.html. Django tried loading these templates in this order: * using loader django.template.loaders.filesystem.function, * using loader django.template.loaders.app_directories.function, template_ders, break time equals 1 esc/. Is it looking for? In this case? The weird thing is this file does existed on disk. Why can't Django locate it? I run the same application on a remote server with Python 2.6 on Ubuntu 9.04 without such problem. Other settings are the same. Is there anything misconfigured on my local machine, or what could possibly have caused such errors that I should look into? In my settings.py, I have specified. It should be looking for the following files. Breaktime equals a 1 esc/. Breaktime equals a 1 esc/. Breaktime equals a 1 esc/. All the above files exist on disk. Solved. It works now after I tried. It's strange. I don't need to do this on the remote server to make it work.
First solution. These settings mean that Django will look at the templates from templates directory under your project. Assuming your Django project is located at usr/lib python 2.5 site packages project name, then with your settings Django will look for the templates under usr/lib python 2. So in that case we want to move our templates to be structured like this. Second solution. If that still doesn't work, and assuming that you have the apps configured in settings.py like this, by default Django will load the templates under templates directory under every installed apps. So with your directory structure, we want to move our templates to be like this. Settings_path may not be defined by default, in which case, you will want to define it in settings.py.
Find this tuple. You need to add to ders the string. So altogether you need
If you encounter this problem when you add an app from scratch, it is probably because that you miss some settings. 3 steps is needed when adding an app. 1. Create the directory and template file. Suppose you have a project named MySite and you want to add an app named your_app_name. Put your template file under MySite, your_app_name, templates, your_app_name as following. Two. Add your app to installed_apps. Modify settings.py. 3. Add your app directory to ders in templates. Modify settings.py. Add OS import.
In setting.py, remove template_loaders and template ders, then add
I had an embarrassing problem. I got this error because I was rushing and forgot to put the app in installed_apps. You would think Django would raise a more descriptive error.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.